Help me identify this Ridgway clock, or point me to information where I can learn all this for myself. See, it's a rear access only. Six-digit number is 360982. Here's a six-digit number with the letter at the end. It is UW3278, and then an A at the end of it. Got a lot of conflicting posts on this as far as the identification of the serial number. Some say it's the first two, some say it's the last two. I would like to hear somebody who knows for a fact how to identify this model, adjust this model, and do everything to this specific model. Thanks.